Hello everybody, welcome to Chef Dawg. This is our New Year edition, and we thought we would do some homemade salsa. Since homemade salsa, or salsa in general, is a huge hit generally when you throw a party, especially one during New Year's. This is one of the quickest homemade salsas you'll ever make in your life, and it's one of the best. The ingredients: green onions, pepper, jalapeno pepper. You can use either or, depends on how hot you want it. Cilantro, and some canned whole tomatoes. And finally, some onion salt. Now, I learned this recipe about 20 or so years ago from the Hunsaker family, and we have been making it ever since. People love it, and it's quick, and it's the easiest salsa you'll ever make. So here we go. First thing we want to do is just chop the green onions about yay far up into the green. And then obviously we want to take off the ends. So here we have about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. I don't necessarily need that many, so I'm going to trim off some more. Usually I put about 5 in, but since these are smaller, that should be perfect. Okay, so I take those and I put them in a blender. Take the jalapeno. Depending on how hot you want it, these are a little hotter. I'm gonna put that much in it right now. We do about a half of one. Now take the canned tomatoes, and a little hint is take and put this in the fridge for a while so that it's nice and cold. So I'm just gonna take the juice for now, and I'm gonna dump it in there. That's enough. And then, this is another key. I do this onion salt for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I've got my onions in there, I've got my salt, and I've got the jalapeno. I'm now gonna blend this. Okay, so now that we got that blended, I've got my whole tomato still in here. And now I'm gonna take the cilantro, I'm gonna cut the back of that off. And then I usually do about half the stalk there. And I'll take it, chop this up. Again, it depends on how much cilantro you like. We like a lot of cilantro at this house. So you chop that up. So then you take that, it's all finely chopped, right? I take and I put that in there. Now I take the whole tomatoes, I'll take and I'll plop that on. We're about done, folks. Now, this is important. You just take and kind of pulsate it until it'll pop, you'll go woo, and then it'll kind of go a suction. Just did it, I heard it. And then I give it just a little bit more after. That's it, because I still want it semi-chunky. Now, we're gonna take, dump that in. And there you go, homemade salsa. What, a couple minutes? Simple ingredients, and that is delicious. And now one more thing is I take and I'll put it in the fridge for like about a half hour. It gets that flavor mixed in there a little bit better, I guess, I don't know. But anyways, it always tastes better after I let it sit for a little bit. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and then we're gonna try it in about a half hour. All right, I think we've waited long enough. Of course, you don't have to wait either. I mean, it's delicious right after you're done, but it always is a little bit better. Then I take and I mix it up actually with the knife, or whatever it is that I use to cut the cilantro. So I don't like dirty and stuff, might as well just use the same thing. Here we go. Now I love it with lime chips. It is so good. My wife hates it with lime, but I love it with lime. Let's see if I have enough kick in there. Tonight we're gonna have tacos here some homemade tacos. So we always make homemade salsa because it's delicious. Come here, hun. Come here, Brecky. Try it out.
Yep, not too hot. Not
So,
like it hot.
If I were making it just for myself, I'd put in more of the jalapeno because I like it hotter, but my family, they're kind of lightweights, and so I don't make it as hot. But, ooh, the lime, you need to try the lime. What do you think, babe?
Perfect. That's a perfect match.
What do you think?
Yep,
Brecky?
good job.
You like it? Give that a thumbs up. Anyways, one of our most favorite things to make as a side, and simple. But anyways, thanks. Hopefully you guys have a happy new year. Well, if you like this, hey, please subscribe and share with your friends, and it'll be a hit, trust me. Have a good one. Happy New Year.